What's up guys, it's Keelan and welcome to my second channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing about anything with racing. I have the season coming up in May, and on top of that, my friends are coming up from Florida. They're doing the Aqua X, so they run Aqua X and they're going to end up being up here for a month, so you're going to see a lot of jet ski racing, powerboat racing, plus the karting that I'm going to be doing. But today is going to be a cool day because I just got my new racing shirt. Now, I race in the American E-Karting Championship, sponsored by Monster, but they don't allow, like, it's run by the FIA and it's under the WKA, which is the World Karting Association. And we do have rules under the FIA based on how we drive on the course. However, though, we do not need to wear any racing suits. You can wear a racing suit if you want. I found one on Sparko, which was pretty decent for like $100, but I don't want to go out with that. I just wanted to do something fun. Plus, I feel like I want to be a little bit lighter, so I'm probably just gonna wear like shorts and a t-shirt, like one of those like Under Armour material t-shirts. Anyway, I ended up getting a shirt, so let's open it up. So here's the package. I opened it up already. I had to look at it. I'm sorry, but I really want to open this and show you guys. So like I said, I didn't want to do a shirt like a racing suit because I feel like A, it would just look funny, and B, I feel like it would just be, I feel more comfortable in my t-shirt and shorts, and then most likely wearing like athletic shoes or like Vans at least. So, I mean, like I said, it is FIA regulated to an extent, so the FIA does not deem us to be in any danger to the extent that we need to wear a racing suit. So this is why I got this, and I'm only going to wear this for certain races. I know I get a Monster Energy shirt that says Monster Energy Karting once the season starts, but for this, I just wanted to get this. So let's crack this baby open. And this came from Texas, so if you want to get your own racing shirts, check it out at Extreme Boutique Bows, and that's on Etsy. So they do racing shirts, sports shirts, and Disney family shirts. So be sure to check them out. And as you can see on the bottom there, it says take 10% off your next order of $50. So take 10. So be sure to check them out. They gave me this shirt. I bought it obviously, and it's really cool. I enjoy it. So got the all black. And let's open this up. So now the colors, I've always wanted to do, like, I'm a huge fan of green and purple. However, I wasn't able to get that because it didn't really look good on this. And I was shown many different color types. We went through yellow, we went through just blue because my racing helmet's blue. And this is what we came up with. So we came up with the neon green with the blue. So like it's interesting because for dirt biking, I think it's Yamaha blue with Kawasaki green. So, but I really enjoy this color scheme, especially on the 13. 13 looks cool. And I picked 13 because I feel like 13 is really an unlucky number. But I feel like it's just like a stigma to it. I feel like it's really lucky to me, so I wanted to pick 13. It was 13 or 33. And I might do 33 at some point for maybe something else. 33 is cool because my name, Keelan, looks cool if you put the 33 where the E's are. So this is the front. Windorf Racing. Obviously I'm on my own, so I wanted to do just Windorf Racing. And the front looks pretty cool like that. And then let me show you the back. The back I like too because it goes straight down. I already got dog hair on it. It's okay though. But so it's got the 13 and my name going down the back in the neon green and blue. So I really like that. It's going to be fun to wear, especially when racing. It's a nice material too. It's thick, but it's very lightweight too. So when I'm racing, it's definitely going to be breathable. So that's what I'm happy about. And I might do, I don't know if I want to do, because I know a couple like family members and friends want one, so I don't know if I want to do the same design for them or if I want to just do something that's kind of like fan based. But this is my the shirt that I'm going to wear during some of the races. So be sure to check out Extreme Boutique, and
Yeah, that is the shirt.
There it is, guys. My racing shirt. I'm super excited to try it out. I mean, it's just a shirt. I'm stoked. It's the FIA said we don't really need to wear anything except for our helmets, and I have some new gear coming in too. I have some racing gloves that I'm going to try out. So I just wanted to get a little bit of professionalism into it. I don't want to go too hard into it. I also don't know what to expect. I don't know if people go all out for this. Like this is kind of like entry level racing. This isn't like up there. Yeah, I have so much respect for people that get into the carts and actually do the full fledged FIA races in Europe and stuff. That's just those are insane. But just to try electric karting and see where it goes. I'm excited to see where electric karting goes altogether as well too, because this I've been talking to another YouTuber who does the racing, and he's been saying that he's been doing it for quite some time, and it's really interesting to see how it folds out. But I know after this season, I want to try and maybe do the gas carts and maybe go out and do like an outside track, because this track that I'm racing at is inside. And then depending on where Nationals is I mean it's also an inside track, but we don't know where it's going to be at. I don't know if it's going to be here in Chicago, or I know they one year they did it in Florida. So it's all a toss up in the air. But I'm super excited. Just I don't know what to expect. I want to give you guys little glimmers. The season starts May 18th, so that's going to be like the first look. Actually, no, we have a meet and greet May 3rd, and I'm going to do some testing with the GoPros. I'm going to buy a GoPro sometime this week, and I want to test it and see how it works. And you guys get to see some test laps, and I might do a little tutorial of some sort. So if you guys want, I know that not a lot of people on here are here for the racing, and they're more here for the magic. And if you want, I have the other channel that is for magic. But if you are here for racing, let me know in the comments below what you want to learn. If you want to learn racing line, braking times, just little tidbits, let me know in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Take care.